Hello everyone, I welcome you all to CADD Nest. CADD Nest is an ISO certified 9001-2015 certified institution. And also I welcome you all to Teacher's Tip. So now guess the topic for the Teacher's Tip. It is the email. So whenever it comes to an formal communication medium, it is a email we have to choose whenever I have to communicate in a formal way. So that in today's video, I'll be talking about the email etiquettes. I mean the do's and don'ts of the email writing. So let's learn these things. So whenever you have about to compose your email, so this is a screen you will get into the email writing. So in this, we have to follow certain rules and regulations whenever I have to form an email and pass on the information to one to another. And the information whatever you send should be precise and understood by the other person the same way that you have composed the mail. In order to do that, we have to follow certain rules and regulations. Firstly, here I can see two wherein I have to write the information of a receiver. It means here I can see CC and BCC copy, which stands for a courtesy copy and blind courtesy copy. Whenever you choose courtesy copy, it means the information will reach all those person whoever you have put the name into, and that will be looked after by all the persons and it will be visible for all the people. Whenever you choose blind courtesy copy, then the copy whatever you have forwarded to many other peoples will not be visible to one another. So have to be careful while choosing CC and BCC. Next to that, I have a subject. Whenever you write a subject, it should be a short subject. Whatever the email content or subject you are writing, you have to choose a short sentence to indicate a subject regarding the email topic you are choosing. Next to this, you have to get into a greeting or salutation. Whenever come to greeting, you have to say a formal way like hello or good morning, good evening, or if you're talking to the higher authorities, you can greet them as respected sir or madam, and it depends on the company's form whatever they do follow. So you have to greet them first, and next to this you have to go for the body text. The body text, you have to take out the subject whatever you have to talk about, and the body should be precise in nature. You have to get into the topic directly and write the information what you have to communicate to them. And in the body text, please avoid using punctuations and avoid short text whatever you use in the WhatsApp or any of your text, and always use a spell check that is there in your email option itself. If you have not enabled it, get into your email setting and go for your spell check, because you should not feel down in front of others with that of your spelling mistakes. And also don't forget to check your grammar. And next to this, I have to go for highlighting the important informations. You can go for bold or italic, or you can give different font colors for the highlighted informations. And most probably while you're writing the information, the fonts you have to select which is formal in way. It might be your Times New Roman or Calibri, which is simple. And when it comes to size, don't increase more than 11 to 12. And also don't change the font color. Either black is acceptable. Apart from this, the other colors doesn't look more formal. And do not use capital letters while you're writing the body text, because it means that you are talking to them arrogantly. So that email, whenever you're writing it, you will not be visible to the other person. So that whenever you write the email, please don't use capital letters for all the sentence. Please use a sentence cases wherein it forms your informations into the correct form. Next to this, if you are sending any of the attachment, please name the attachment which is noticeable by the other person. Do not name the attachment whichever is comfortable for you. So these are the things that you have to follow. Apart from this, there are many other options that you have to follow. So while greeting, as I have told, kindly use hello or good afternoon. Or when you receive a mail, in order to make sure that you have received it, you just have to thank them as thanks for your informations or thanks for mailing. You can leave a small message. And the duration you take up to reply for your mail should be 24 hours. If you're too busy, not okay to reply your mails, within 24 hours, you have to try to reply your mail. If you're busy, then you can choose like, thanks for your information. I have received your mail. I'll be getting back to you within so many days. You can give this information to the other person. Please kindly do not take more than 24 hours to reply your mail. You have to have an habit to check your email within 24 hours once in a day. So next to this, these are the formation you have to go through while you are preparing your email so that your email looks more formal in a way, so that it creates a good impression in the person who is reading your mail. So these are the tips that you can follow while writing your email. And thanks for watching. For more of the updates, keep watching our channel. Thank you. Bye. See you again.